right open, yeah. I English well. Oh my god! I got Ursula. I love Ursula, in case you guys do not know this. She is just like so cool, and I just love her to pieces. And she is evil. I mean, she took freaking Ariel's voice and tried to steal her man. Like, she is such an evil person. Now let me figure. So this is what Ursula looks like. She has blushing cheeks, which is really cool, and she also has white hair, and you know, and she has this like little conch thing right under her. Let me try to get there for you. So I'm not looking at my camera, so it's like kind of hard to see like where she's supposed to go. Yeah, she's very cool. So first she has her base, and then you put her on it, and then somehow you hook this under. One moment, please. So this is what she looks like in her thing. Sorry, I'm not like showing you with her like sitting. It's just my camera. I don't really want to change it. And so yeah, this is the view of her. She's very gorgeous in this little color. It looks more reddish, but it's more pink / purple here in real life. But on camera, it's actually looks a lot more red. Oops, she's falling. And yeah, so let's move on to the third one. So here's the third one, and let's get this one open. And what we have here is, oh, we have Lilo, right? Lilo, yes, this is Leo. I thought I was going to get her. I wasn't like 100% sure that this was going to be her, and turns out it is her. So yay! I actually I used to watch Lilo and Stitch, but it's not like something that I fully remember watching. But yeah, I remember I did watch it because I remember watching Stitch, but I don't remember watching it obsessively like how it's so popular right now. So when I hear stuff about Lilo, I say like, wait, what? Like, I love Stitch. He's like my favorite because, you know, basic. But yeah, I'm really excited I got Lilo and Stitch because, you know, I grew up with her. So this is what Lilo looks like. She's very cute. I love the little pink cheeks they give the characters. She's just so gorgeous. I love her. Look how cute she is. Ah. Now let me get this set up really quickly. So this is what she looks like. So it's her and then this like little wave, and it also has like a fish holding a sandwich, which is very cute. I really like this one. Can't wait to display this. Now, let's move on to the last Tsum Tsum mystery pack. Okay, so this is the last one for the season 4 that I have gotten. And yeah, I'm pretty sure, I actually can't remember what this one was. I think it was like Perry or some other sort. Oh my god, I was right, it was Perry. Let's get you open. I don't know why I'm singing. I should stop now before I get 1 million dislikes. Okay, so this is Perry. If you do not know who he is from Phineas and Ferb, and that was the thing when I was like 8 or 10. I don't remember. But yeah, he's very cute. I love Perry the Platypus. He was like my only favorite character, or the only character that I liked in this series, which I find very funny. And yeah, so basically, you know, he's here, and he's Perry. I think I'm displaying like this. He can display like this, but it looks like he could be better being displayed here. But in the picture, it looks like he's displayed on the hat, which I don't get. I feel like he should be displayed like this. But, you know. Okay, so now let's get to the stickers. So here are the 2 stickers. I actually have not even looked at them. The only way I know these are on front is just because I told my mom, can you tell me which one's on front? Or like which one's picture up? So, let's start with this one. And you guys get the first look, and I had it upside down. So, you guys like it? What one is it? So cute! Oh my god. This is why I got it. They're just so dang cute. I love Goofy. I love Flower. I love Daisy. Fun on the rise. This is so cute. And this was only 50 cents, which I'm very happy about. So, that was this one. Now, this one, and you guys as well get the first look. I'm looking at right now. I can't show my face. Yeah, here is this one. I wonder how many there are. There's probably 3 like the other one. And let me see. Ah, so cute. And there's 4. I'm pretty sure the last one had 3. Oh no, it did have 4. Hashtag Tsum Tsum. And I'm pretty sure this is the cat. Oh god, why can't I think of his name? I'm literally reading Alice in Wonderland, and I'm up to the part, Cheshire Cat, that's his name. I'm up to the part with the Cheshire Cat, and in the book, and I'm reading that for my English class because we have to pick a book and read it, and I chose Alice in Wonderland, and yeah. And oh my god, I love Pluto, and Pluto is a planet. I don't care what NASA says. They don't know anything about space, and I'm probably gonna get a bunch of hate for that. But I think Pluto's a planet. He's also a dog, and I got Mickey, and yeah, he's so cute. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a really short video, but you know what? I really wanted to make this video. And also, shout out to Butterfly's Landing. She is such a sweet lady. Please go check her out. Her description, or her channel link will be in the description below. Please go subscribe to her and check out her videos. She is so nice. And oh my god, her videos are super cute, and she also does Tsum Tsum videos, so please go check her out. I'll put her name right here, which it has been up for. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, I am happy for you, and bye, guys!